Hi everyone, this is Abdul Wali and this is the third part of AutoCAD complete course. In this part I will teach you the dimension command. You can see this dimension and to how to create these dimensions for these sides, and after that I will teach you the text, that how to write this text here, and after that layers. I will teach you these layers and how to create layers and the properties of that layer, and as well to change this color of these doors and the windows. At the end of this video you will be able to create these dimensions and this text, and as well change of color and to create layer as well. So let's start from this dimension command. It is very simple and very easy to use. To select it, simply click on it on this dimension command and specify your first point from which you want to start your dimension. Let's start from this point. Simply click here and then select the end point where you want to finish. Simply click here to this point. Now where you want upward, downward, simply click there. Let's click here. Now you can see your dimension is shown, and press the space or enter to finish the command. But if you check it, the dimension is not shown here. You know that these dimensions are, I think, 30 feet, so it should be show that it is in feet, but now you can see it is unit is not shown here, and also that it is the you can say this it is very small. So if you, before to do it, we should set it. We should make and select the unit for this dimension. To do that, let's click on this annotation. You can see, and click on this annotation below. You can see this annotation, and simply come here, click on this annotation. You can see this annotation. Simply click here. Now you can see this dimension sign. You can see this dimension style. So simply click on this vector and come down and click on this manage dimensions style. Now click on this new. You can see this new, create new dimension which will have your styles and your unit. So simply type it Wali, name it. Let's say it is Wali by Wali, and continue. And after that a new window will open. In this new window you can select many options are available here. First option is lines. You can say select the color of lines and the type of lines and the everything. You can select that, the thickness and every color and extension line 1, extension line 2, all are available here. If you want to finish the extension line, simply select these two options, and you can see here this one is now removed. If I click on it, it will also shown. And if you want to change the symbol of this, you can see this symbol, dimension symbol. So let's select here, let's architecture, click on it. Now you can see it is architecture type, and after that hero size, how much size you want. Let's, it should be 12 inches, type 12, and click here, press enter, and it means that 12 inches or 1 feet it will show like this. And after that come to text. You can say this text and select which type text style you want, and color of text, let's say it should be yellow color, in yellow color. Now you can see the text color is changed, and the size, the text height, so let's say it should be 1 feet or 12 inches, and press enter. Now you can see it is little bit large. And after that come to this primary units and select it. Let's say it should be architectural. Click on it. Now it is shown, it will show like in feet or inch. And after that simply press many options are available. You can change any of them and you can see it. Simply press OK and then close it. After that, come here, and this you must be in this style. Here many styles you can, but now I would like to be in this Wali style. Let's click on it. Now I am in Wali style. If now I click on this dimension, and let's start from this point, my dimension, and come click here to this dimension and show to this side. Now you can see the hero size is also architectural and large, and the size and unit is also shown in feet. In which color? You can say it is in yellow color, which I have selected. But here you can say it is by default this. Simply click on it and delete it. If you want to change any of this style, you can change. Let's come to this annotation, click here, and then click on this dimension style, and come to this manage dimension style, click on it and select on this Wali. If you want to modify anything in it, simply click on this modify. Now you can modify anything, dimensions, line, color you want. Let's say it should be green. You can see this dimensions, line, color is green. And after that, if you want to change the color of text, you can change. And if you want to change the extension line color or anything, you can change here. Let's this symbol should be a hero. Let's click on this hero, and after that press OK, and now close, simply close. Now you can see it is shown in like hero. And click on this dimension and start from this point, let's, and finish at this point. Go upward where you want. Let's click there. And if you want to modify again it, you can see this text is this and above the this dimension line. If you want to place it at the center, you can simply come through this annotation and click on this dimension style, and click on this manage dimension style, and this is in Wali. You can say this Wali and click on this modify, and simply click on this text and placement, text placement. Vertical you want, above, center, or where you want, just select that. Let's click on this center. Now you can see this letter is in the center, and horizontally where you want at the center, so it is okay. Simply click on OK. And I want to change the symbol as well. Let's say it should be architectural, and click on this architectural and press OK and close it. Now you can see your text is in the center and it is shown as architectural. And if you want to change the you know that this extension line color, so simply come to again this annotation and select this dimension style, and you can see this Wali and click on modify. And now come to this lines. Now you can see extension lines, you can see here, and change the color, which color you want. Simply let's say it should be yellow or green. You can select any of them. Let's say it should be yellow, and press OK and close it. Now you can see the color of extension line is yellow. Now to use this extension line, you can select for any place. Simply click on this dimension and select your first point, click on it. Let's start from this point and finish here. Now you can see this window length is 5 feet. Simply click where you want, type the length if you want to type by length, or you can click by default. Let's click here to show your unit here. And after that, come to this text command. You can see this text, how to write text here. So it is very easy for it to style it. Simply click on this annotation, and as you can see this text style here, this text style, and simply click here and click on this manage text style. Now in this new window, open on this new and rename your text style. So let's say it should be AW, and press OK And now what should be the height of your text? It should be 1 feet. Type 1 feet and press enter, and after that click here. Select the font size style, and after that simply click on this close. You can see this close, and now to write text here somewhere, so simply type DT and press enter. Now they ask you to specify your start point of your text. Now they ask you to specify your start point of your text. Let's start my text from this point, and do you want vertical or horizontal? So now I would like to it would be horizontal. Simply click here, and now type what you want to write. Simply it should be room 1, and after that come here and click here. Simply click here and type room 2, and after that click here, it is D1, and click here, it is D2, and window 1 W1, and click here window 2 W2, and W3, and W4, and where you want to write anything you can write. Simply click there, but after whenever you finish your text, simply click somewhere like this. Now I click here, and on another place simply click there and press the escape to finish the command. Escape you at the corner of your keyboard, ESC. Simply press it. Now you can see command is finished. After that come to this layers. You can see layers. It is very important in AutoCAD 2D and as well in 3D. Layers are very important. You must create before your drawing. So to create layers, simply click on this layer properties. You can see this layer properties, and to create layer, simply click at this create new layer. You can see this option, this yellow point. Simply click on it. New layers will create, and create many layers. And after that rename your layers. Type F2 or simply right click. Let's click on it and rename it. Let's say it should be 2D window. After that rename your layers. After that rename your layers, and to rename it simply click on this layer and right click, and then click on this rename layer and type let's 2D window and press enter. Now you can see it is 2D window, and also rename this layer, rename layer and 2D door and press enter. And now simply close it. Click at this corner, close. And after that now I would like to include this windows to that layer. Select this windows and come to this layer. Now you can see I am in 0 layer. Click on this layer. You can see this layer and include it into 2D windows. This 2D windows, simply click on it. Now these windows are included to these layers, and if whenever you want to unvisible it means that to hide it, simply come to here and this 2D windows and simply click at this. It will unvisible or hide. Yeah, you can see your windows are hidden. Now it is not shown here, and whenever you want to own it, it will show like this. Now you can see it is shown. And if you want to change the color of it, so simple you can change. Simply click at this color of layer, simply click on it. Let's say it should be at this color. Which color you want, select that color. Let's say it should be in this color. Now you can see the color of your window is changed. And after that same, come to the select these doors and include them to 2D door layers. Let's say it should be in 2D door, select it. And after that, if you want to change the color of it, you can change. Simply come to 2D door and click on this color and select any of them. Which color you want, simply press OK. Now you can see color is changed. Thank you for watching. Dear friends, if you want to learn more about 2D plane, so I've given the complete 2D plane video link below in the description, and go there and watch it, and please subscribe my channel as well.